Hey y'all, Tammy here with Happy Art Creations and welcome to my today. Well, I am on a run. Let me just say it. I'm having fun. Now, what I'm doing here, this here is beautiful. And this is a piece of tempered glass. Now, this is my hubby's. This goes on his side of the counter in the bathroom. And what I'm going to do on this one, I get these, believe it or not, it's tempered glass. They use it as a... I've got round ones too, and these square ones, but they use it as a, they put their toiletries, their toothbrushes, all that kind of stuff, anything you want to put on it. Hubby puts shaving stuff on it. Anyhow, this is gorgeous, and it comes out really well. Now, when I've resined this one, and I do resin it afterwards, when I resined this one, I only used a different kind of resin that only went up to 120, but the one I'm using now, which is 120 degrees, and the one I'm using now is KS resin, and it goes up to 475, so you could put a curling iron on these. Okay, anyhow, yeah, they're tempered glass. They're beautiful. They have little ditties right here. I had to clean hubby's office, had toothpaste on it. So anyhow, I'm going to do a swipe, and I've got my house paint here. I'm going to do a swipe with some colors I just used for, are you ripping? Maybe. Anyhow, just used for something I was doing, another project. So anyhow, you can find these right here at the Dollar Tree. And anyhow, they have them with things on it. I try to get the ones that are clear, so if they're missing, it's my fault. There's one right here. You can't even see it. It just kind of hides. But we're fixing to put the white base paint on that, okay? This is my BEHR. Indoor, let's see, paint primer, interior satin enamel, ultra fine white, number 7050. Anyhow, got it at Hobby Lobby. Okay, so here we go. We're just going to put our base down. I did thin this down. That first one I did for hubby, and that's one of the reasons why it's in there and not sold, was because I did this a long time ago. A long time ago. Let me spin it just a wee bit and get that over here. It kind of cracked. So this here has, I thinned it down just a little bit and put some GAC 800 in it. Alright, and let's just kind of move it. Let's move it around. And don't worry about the underneath, because that can be cleaned off. Okay? Peels right off. Although I don't like it sitting like that, but that's how it's going to be for right now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pop up any big bubbles that I see right here. Any more? No. I do like this BEHR, y'all. I really like the BEHR. Okay, so what I did with the last things that I did a swipe. I just did a simple swipe. This here is Black Pearl by Ceramicoat Select. This is really good paint, y'all. It's got real good pigment. And just added it to my pouring medium, which is a new one, but I will get that to you. But I have my other ones, and they still work too, okay? But this is my new one. I have Black Pearl. I have Turquoise by Lucas Krill, and I added some Deco Art sterling silver to it. Okay? That right there and there. That's what I used. Okay? The next one is my Lucas Krill Gold Bronze. I don't have the jug in front of me, but that's what it is. It's gorgissimo. Gorgissimo. Okay. Then this here is Naked Fusion pigment, and I added a little bit of Arteza, which one is this? Cactus Green with it, just to kind of mute it down. It was super bright. And then I used the Naked Fusion Gold Jewel right there. Those are the colors I'm fixing to use. I'm going to swipe with my Cell Activator, which is Amsterdam. Okay, so here we go. And, oh, well, I don't care really about that. I loved the way this turned out. So that's really messy. Sorry, guys. But, you know. Wow, that is really messy. Alright, let's wipe it. There. Ta-da. Oh, house paint is so messy too. Okay, here's the turquoise. These turned out super duper pretty together. You wouldn't think that that black, metallic pearl black would be so beautiful, but it turned out really gorgeous. Alright, then we're going with the Lucas Krill bronze, or gold bronze. It is a luscious color. It's one of my new favorites. I've been using it in some of my, when I was doing my neutrals. I did the videos with the neutrals. I have a video coming out today on, it was neutrals versus pop of color and then different bases. So this one's going to be pop of color, the one that's coming out today, which is Sunday, the 26th or something like that. We are officially in fall. This here's the Ocean Blue Mix. Ocean Blue, and it really shows up pretty. Let me put some out here. And then the Gold Jewel. Really hate that right there. I woke up this morning with silly old allergies. My throat was all gross, and my nose the other day was just going nuts. But it's allergies. It's that allergy throat, you know, where you just like, ew, you just don't feel 100%, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do now, because I do not want that big blob. There. I'll take a little bit of this. Waste. Nah. Let's don't bother. I'm going to end up messing it up. Let's do it like that. And that should go over. Ah, there we go. I don't mind a little bit, but I mind it out here. I wanted to kind of keep that clean a little bit, okay? So, here we go. Use my white cell activator. I'm going to use this big old spatula. Alright, now I use my Amsterdam. Recipe for this is underneath the description. And I think you should get, well, I don't know when this will come out. Okay, but you should get the new recipe soon. Okay, y'all ready? I hope this turns out the way I want it. Here we go. It's turning out pretty. It is for sure. Okay, I'm getting my little one. So, alright, so let's why am I doing that? I'm doing it because I need, that's not doing what it's supposed to, but the colors are gorgeous. So let's see what happens, okay? Let me get my stick here. A little paper. Oh, I don't know. It is pretty, but it's not coming up like I wanted it to. Why does it do that, right? So, in those areas I don't like a lot. Excuse me. Got a tickle. I'm not going to say I don't like it though. It is pretty and it gives this like a run to jewels, so I'm going to say I like it. I'm not a fan of this, but let's see what happens. We'll see. I do like the jewels. Right? Because we know that some of this is going to go off, so I'm not worried about this stuff. I'm not worried about any of it. See, they're coming up, so we'll see. I honestly don't want to do a whole lot, but I know I'm going to need to do something in here. You can hear that glass, right? Oh, that looks pretty right there. Oh, that did it. That kind of helped it a whole lot. Let's go ahead and do the same thing there. Maybe I'm liking, you know, that's going to go off, so I'm not going to worry about it. There. Just on that one side. Okay, so that's really pretty. I'm going to get a piece of new paper, okay, because I don't like it sitting on that quite. Oops. This shouldn't take long. Not worried about it underneath. I just don't want it to sit in that blob of paint. I should have lifted it up, I think. So let's put our new paper on. There. That's better. I'm not a big fan. Should have lifted it up. But I love this. Love it. Love it. I think this is gorgeous. This is going to go off, so I'm going to spin it, okay? Let me push that to the middle. Let's just spin it gently. Do I want to do anything else? Do I not like something? How about doing something right in here? There. And then, oh, I love that. Bring that up like that. Look, it's like stepstone bricks right here. Can you see that? Let me bring you in. Look at my bricks. Isn't that pretty? This is gorgeous, y'all. I'm in love. So let's go ahead and spin it again. Not too much. Woo! There we go. Yeah, might have done too much. Let's go back this way just a hair. And then we're going to call it done, I think, because I like it. I like those bricks. I love this. Let's lift it up and look at it. Now the bottom is going to be the color of whatever is underneath, except for the messy paint that's on it right now. Let me wipe my finger off. Bring it back out. There we go, guys. And look at it. Oh my gosh, is that not gorgeous? So this is going to go in someone's bathroom. I guess they could use it in their kitchen. I've got square ones. I got these. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, y'all, I'm loving this, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, watch a little bit longer, subscribe if you're not already. We have a blast, and if you are, I thank you. If you already are a subscriber, I do have a new share page called Let's Share Happy Art on Facebook. Go ahead and say, hey, I want to join, okay, and I'll let you in. All right, read the rules over so you know what's kind of expected. I'm not crazy on that stuff. I just want us to be respectful and everything. So anyhow, guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to show it to you dry, and then we'll resin it, okay? So whenever you're out and about, go ahead and spark some happy in somebody's heart. Guys, you might not know who you might touch just by a simple smile or a simple word saying, hi, how you doing? Right? People want to be seen. They want to be heard. People are hurting right now. So anyhow, I will see you next time here on Happy Art Creations. Toodaloo. Bye now. Bye.